Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So today I am actually doing an unboxing for Globleland. So they had contacted me via email and asked me if I would be interested in selecting a few of their products and doing a review, and I told them I would be more than happy to do so. So in this video we will actually be doing the unboxing of the products that I received from them. I will also make sure that a link to their website as well as a 10% off discount code in the description box below. So we will get right into this. So what I got was actually some cutting dies. I don't really have a whole lot of cutting dies. So yeah, this really came at the perfect time because I was actually in the market to go and get some more. So I did get these snowflakes. Look at those. Aren't those going to be so cute? I cannot wait to play with these. So it is still winter, so I thought this would be perfect. It is not Christmas, but it is winter. So we have the snowflake die cuts, and there's all different sizes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got like 6 different sizes. So yeah, wouldn't those look gorgeous on a tag? Oh, I've got ideas going around in my brain already. So we got that. And then the other one that I got, guys, were these birds. I saw these and absolutely fell in love, let me tell you. Absolutely fell in love with these. So let's get into this and see what all we have here. Oh yeah, look. It's like 3 different types of birds. Oh yes, these are going to be awesome. Look at those guys. Oh, those are going to be so much fun. So here we have 2, 4, 6, 7 different birds there. Oh, those are going to be so fun. And then we have 5 there. Oh, that one looks like it's flying. Oh, these are going to be a lot of fun. And then we have these here. Actually looks like a dove, doesn't it? Oh, wow. Oh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to play with the bird ones. I'm so excited. Yeah, so that video, I will probably be doing a video a week on these die cuts. So, the first video may just be us cutting out what we're going to use. That will be the second video because this is the first one. And then the last video will be probably us actually making projects with them. And then this is the last one that I got. And I really like these because look, guys, they look like little file folders. Look at those. Wow, look at how many's in a pack. Wow. Yep. So we have little file folders here that we can play with. Well, that's just crazy. There's so many in there. Wow. Yep, those are going to be super fun. I'm not sure if this is how many comes in the pack or not, because this is like, you know, crazy. I know I didn't order this many of these. But yeah, these are going to be super fun. Super, super fun to play with right there. Alright. Go ahead and get it back down in here, guys, so I can keep things together. Certainly don't want to be losing anything. Have them ready for the next video where we actually get us out some paper and my die cutting machine. And we will... Oops, I threw it on the floor. We will get to cutting these out so that we're ready to make pretty things. Yep, really excited about that. And then there's our snowflakes. Alright guys, so that's what we have there. Try to turn that light away a little bit. Sorry about that. So those are the 3 die cuts, 3 sets of die cuts. Lots and lots of birds. A little file folder. Yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun. And then the snowflakes. So yeah, again, this is from Globleland, and their website is www.globleland.com. But again, I will make sure to leave their a direct link to their website in my description box below. Also, I am sharing a special discount code. You can get 10% off your entire order, and the coupon code is AMS71. Again, that is AMS10. I apologize. AMS10. It will be in the description box below. AMS10 to get 10% off your total order. So yeah, all the links, just look down below. They will be in my description box, and click on those. They have some amazing things at some amazing prices. I was pleasantly surprised actually when I went over there to look and pick out a few items. I'm like, well, this is amazing. So yeah, really good prices. Alright guys, thank you all so much. I really appreciate your support. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.